Well, this is my first leading show when I played in it. I was only 15, I think. The show was playing Beijing Theater and it was really popular at that time. The show is really challenging for me. Well, I guess because I'm pretty young that time and I have really little experience to be honest. And the character I played had two identities, which made the part even harder. I remembered I was a poor student, but I'm also a spy for Chinese government. It's funny. The part I found was the most challenges. The first thing, I guess, because I was pretty young that time, so I don't have any relationship experience. And my partner Mark is also have little experience too. And we're pretty nervous about the first thing because we have to trying to act really close and in a desperately romantic relationship. But it's funny, it turned out to be really funny, and I think it's the funniest part and the most popular part of the show. I guess people just like stupid stuff. No, I'm just kidding.
清澈明亮，你的手温柔细腻，你的胸部不，你的心晶莹剔透，你就是我的人生伴侣，让我做你的男朋友好吗？
你的臂孔武有力，你的胸宽广伟岸，你的皮，你就是我今生的伴侣。
你是牛奶，
你就是绿茶，
你就是表。好了，不说了，走，我们去喝优乐美。走，咱们走。
Attention. Well, so now we're seeing scene 2. This is quite different from the first one, because I was in data, I was a poor student, but right now I'm a spy. It's pretty challenging for me, because original script, the spy is depicted as serious and smart, but the director think it's not really funny enough, so instead he decided to add a lot of funny elements. For example, the phone that I take out is just killing it, so when I took it out, everyone just laughed out so loud.
眼镜掉了，我眼镜掉了，看不见，你不让我睡啊？
大炮哥，逼我放大招！这边。咦，这个是什么？
And at first, right now, instead of being serious, I'm a kind of a stupid spy, as well as my partner, 大炮. You can see that when we open the security box, it's pretty messy and stupid. But I think it's pretty funny, and yeah, my friend just loved the scene that I took out my phone. Well, I feel I was really lucky to be in that show because you can see that it's set for me, Mark, and brother Da Pao. All the other characters are played by very strong actors at that time. And I really learned a lot from them through the process. I'm really grateful for that because you can see the character my mother and Mark's mother, they're pretty strong and they are pretty experienced, and I really learned a lot of things from them.
没有光，没有物质的爱情，就像一盘散沙，走不了多久就会散了。我们家思聪啊，就像你这种小狐狸精。 你这样说我们家实在是太过分了。我们家跟你有什么仇什么怨，什么仇什么怨呢？哼，我看你这样也不像什么好人，指不定还在外面勾引男人呢。我受不了了！
妈，不要打。
我小脸2000块。
不要打架，不要打架，打架危害大。
妈，这是
你不就是那天那个共产党吗？
我们家的坏人。
好了，我知道了，原来你们串通一伙来害我们。我今天就要杀了你们！
妈，武器。
这个是我珍藏了多年的 Visa card， 里面还有2块3毛8，你拿去Gordon好好吃一顿，替我照顾好自己。
拿来！小妹，你要死了，你不能死了！
等等，我还有一句话要说。
什么？
大炮哥，你不要难过，会有别的天使来替我爱你的。
不是说好永远做彼此的天使了吗？
你不够帅。
小妹，你就安息吧，我会把你好好安葬的。
等等。
Well, it's kind of long ago for me right now. And when I look it back, I think I really improved a lot. Look at how immature I was. It's just so funny and stupid. But still, when I look at it, it's full of laughter and tears.